Imagine waking up in the morning to the gentle hum of your coffee machine brewing your favorite cup of coffee while the blinds automatically open, allowing the soft morning light to fill your room. As you step into the kitchen, your smart refrigerator suggests a breakfast recipe based on the fresh ingredients it detects inside. This is the future of smart homes, where the Internet of Things, IoT, seamlessly connects and automates various devices and appliances, creating intelligent and efficient living spaces. In this video, we will delve into the concept of smart homes, explore the potential of IoT-enabled living spaces, and examine how they are set to transform our daily lives. Understanding smart homes. Smart homes are residences equipped with devices, appliances, and systems that can be controlled remotely and interact with each other through the Internet. These devices are embedded with sensors, processors, and connectivity capabilities, enabling them to collect data, communicate, and respond to user commands or environmental changes. The central intelligence of a smart home lies in the integration and automation facilitated by IoT technologies. The power of IoT in smart homes. IoT enables seamless connectivity and communication between various smart devices, creating a networked ecosystem within the home. These devices range from smart thermostats, lighting systems, security cameras, and door locks to appliances like refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines. They work together to enhance comfort, convenience, energy efficiency, and security. Transforming daily living. Smart homes offer a plethora of benefits and possibilities that transform our daily living experiences, such as enhanced convenience. With smart homes, everyday tasks become more convenient and effortless. You can control your home's lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems through voice commands or mobile apps. Automated routines can be set up to adjust settings based on your preferences or specific events, such as turning off lights and locking doors when you leave. Energy efficiency. Smart homes promote energy efficiency by optimizing resource usage. IoT-enabled sensors can monitor and adjust lighting and temperature based on occupancy or natural lighting conditions, reducing energy waste. Smart appliances can operate during off-peak hours, leveraging lower electricity rates. These energy-saving features contribute to both cost savings and environmental sustainability. Improved security. Smart homes provide advanced security features, allowing homeowners to remotely monitor and control their homes. IoT-enabled security systems can include surveillance cameras, motion sensors, and smart locks that send real-time alerts to your smartphone in case of suspicious activities. Remote access and monitoring provide peace of mind, even when you're away from home. Personalized living experiences. Smart homes adapt to individual preferences and lifestyle patterns. Machine learning algorithms analyze user behavior and preferences to personalize settings and anticipate needs. For example, smart thermostats learn your temperature preferences and adjust settings accordingly, ensuring comfort while optimizing energy consumption. Health and wellness monitoring. IoT-enabled smart devices can also support health and wellness monitoring within smart homes. Wearable devices or sensors embedded in the environment can track vital signs, sleep patterns, and physical activity, providing valuable insights for personalized healthcare and well-being management. While smart homes offer exciting possibilities, there are challenges and considerations to address. Interoperability and compatibility. Ensuring seamless connectivity and compatibility between other manufacturers' smart devices and platforms can be challenging. Standardization efforts are underway to promote interoperability and enhance user experience. Privacy and security. As smart homes collect and transmit vast amounts of data, privacy and security become critical concerns. Safeguarding personal information, securing IoT networks, and implementing robust encryption and authentication measures are essential to mitigate risks. Technical complexity. Setting up and managing a smart home requires technical knowledge and expertise. User-friendly interfaces and clear documentation are crucial to simplify installation and operation processes. The future of smart homes. The future of smart homes is promising, with ongoing advancements and innovations, such as integration with AI and machine learning. Integrating AI and machine learning technologies will further enhance smart homes' intelligence and automation capabilities. These technologies will learn from user behavior, adapt to preferences, and anticipate needs, making homes more intuitive and personalized. Expansion of the IoT ecosystem. The IoT ecosystem will continue to expand, incorporating more devices and appliances. The range of connected devices will grow from smart kitchen appliances to healthcare monitoring devices, offering a more integrated and holistic smart home experience. Smart grid integration. Smart homes will increasingly integrate with smart grids, enabling bidirectional communication between homes and energy providers. This integration will optimize energy consumption, leveraging renewable energy sources and promoting a sustainable and efficient energy ecosystem. Enhanced voice control and natural language processing. Voice control and natural language processing will become more sophisticated, allowing homeowners to interact with their smart homes using natural commands and conversational interfaces. This will make smart homes more accessible and user-friendly for people of all ages and abilities. In conclusion, smart homes, enabled by IoT technologies, are reshaping how we live and interact with our living spaces. The convenience, energy efficiency, security, and personalization they offer transform our daily lives. As the ecosystem continues to evolve and technologies advance, smart homes will become an integral part of our future, creating a harmonious synergy between technology and how we live. Embracing the potential of smart homes and addressing the associated challenges will unlock a new era of intelligent and connected living spaces.